Hello, my name is Kevin from DePaula, Florida. I'm going to be showing you how to lower your spare tire. Take the key out of your key fob or your regular flip key, put it in the security lock here, wiggle it out. After that, you go to the inside of the vehicle to get the lowering equipment. When removing the lowering equipment, there's a latch here. Seat comes down. There is a strap to remove. Feed that out of the way, slide it towards you, wiggle it up, jacks comes out. Now for the assembly, jack and the lowering tools. Now all you have to do is connect these two, and then connect this here. Now for lowering the tire, take the big open end, put it through here. Then once it does not move, take this piece, push down here, and then just turn, and the tire will slowly but surely come down. And that's how you lower your spare tire and use your jack kit on your F-150. Now today's tech tip from Kevin.